Hello everyone, my name's Virality, and today I want to talk to you a bit about what I've been doing as of lately. So I've been a little busy. I haven't made as many videos as I usually do, but what I've been doing is I've been developing in VR. Now the end goal for this whole thing is I want to make an RPG in VR essentially. Something where you can fight enemies, level up, gain loot, stuff like that. Now, it's a big ask, and I know that for sure because I've even started developing and I've already run into 100 issues. But I just wanted to show you what my progress is so far over the last week, pretty much. So I've been watching a guy named Valum on YouTube. He seems to be the main guy for tutorials on VR, and what he's taught me so far is how to have animated hands and how to grab a sphere and chuck it at a bunch of cylinders and for them to fall over. Now what I've also done is I've gone and done a bit more research and I found out how to add a sound effect to it, and I've also found out how to add a button so everything resets. I went a little bit further on my own previous programming knowledge and made it so that not only do the pins reset where they are, they reset to this alleyway, so I can now move the alleyway anywhere in the world and they will reset to the same location on that alleyway. Now one thing that I don't know how to do, which I really want to learn how to do, is make hands with physics. And what I mean by that is right now this is supposed to be a button. It's a cube that only moves on the x-axis, but right now it doesn't collide. So the only way this is being triggered right now is there's a backplate in there that my hand is colliding with, which is triggering the button. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just right back there, and theoretically this cube should move back and hit that backplate. But right now it's just my hand colliding with it, which is not what I want to do. And so I understand right now that the way the hands work is they teleport to my device's location. But what I want it to do is I want it to add force to get to the device's location. So instead of it teleporting, I want it to have force. So if I move my hand quicker, it needs more force on the model of the hand to get to my device's location. And then if I do it slower, it's less force, right? And right now, for instance, like I can't hit the ball at all. I don't have any collisions with it, and nor do I have collisions on the hand. And that's the other thing, is I don't know how to make colliders with the hands, because a mesh collider would be too much, I think. And I know that a lot of people use like cylinders and stuff like that to make the colliders for the fingers, but I'm still way too new to that to really understand it. But that's the objective. That's the main feature that will make my VR successful, because if I hold a sword and I hit something, I want there to be feedback. I want there to be physics in the hands, right? I want to hit something and I want you to know that you've hit something essentially. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty much what I've got going on. You know the goal. The goal is an RPG in VR. I think that will be pretty amazing. I'm going for a little bit more of a low poly aspect, just for the sake of simplicity. VR is very intensive, so any graphics that I need, it needs to be pretty simple. But yeah, let's see if I can end this with a strike. Oh yeah. Okay, well thank you guys for watching. If you want to see the progress on any of my development, just hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, any advice, let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.